Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall Skilla. Again, big up and respect to each and everyone. And the reason why I am explaining in the first part of this video is because of two pieces of videos that I'm going to show you, my viewers and subscribers, like video 1 and video 2. And these two videos is going to show of a situation where it is said that a child had been denied access or denied from attending a school. Alright, and by the way, I want to say big up to all real parents out there. So what I'm saying to you now, viewers and subscribers, there's a reason why, you know, according to what has been said in the video, there's a reason why this person wants this child to go to that specific school, you know what I mean? And other things have been said by the person in this video are in these videos as well. So what I'm saying to you now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the two pieces of videos put together, and you take a look at it and tell me what you think about what this person is trying to let social media know what's going on. All right, now here are the two pieces of videos. Observe.
All of that wasn't done. We cannot accept him. We couldn't accept him then, and we won't be able to accept him now.
So that means I can go and go sit down.
That's up to you.
No, it's not up to me. It's gonna be in the
He was placed at Spot Valley.
Yes, Miss Antella,
Yes.
I could not deal with it, and I went to the I tell us the PH paper damage, and I have to went to the family court to get everything arranged and set. Now is a situation where I'm going to go and go sit down. I have to bring it to the media.
You can do that.
You have to go and bring it to the media.
Yes, man, that's fine.
Because I have to just record it here to make sure it's all bring to the media.
Okay.
Yes, so because this is my son and he is not attend to the school, so I have to make sure this attend to the media.
Okay, not a problem.
I can't dress him up January man like this and have him sit down on my yard.
Videotape me. You cannot dress him in the school's uniform and he's not accepting.
No, but
this.
this
Nice morning.
Yes, my dear. Have a happy New Year.
I will make sure this reach to the media.
That's okay.
Yes, because I have to make sure and the media and everybody is recording. Yes, miss. Pitney must make sure that non-children must not turn out of school. Or the hell, that teacher, that principal, that guidance counselor still in their seat and run my Pitney out. Run my Pitney out of school the 6th of January. You know where I come from? On the look, I CLM this me there. You know where I come from? You know where I come from today? I come from family court. I go CDA for they help me. A child need to go into Green Pan High. Green Pan High. I go Minister of Education. No, help. Hold on, Andrew never tell me that. No, enough help. No, Andrew said no Pitney enough left out of school. No, make sure it's no morning. Brand new morning like this, every children must into school. All the hell, Miss Elise from Green Pan High, man to go be a century and tell me about my Pitney must not can't come into the school and he can't attend. Me make sure record them this morning. Me make sure me go over them and record them. Hold on, listen. You take my $500 registration fee for the 7th of July. Me now go build the uniform. The 9 and the 10, the 11 and the 12, me Pitney uniform I build. Because if I take me money, look into this people. Look into this Jamaica. If I take me $500 and say you're going to give me deal with some service for me. Hold on. Anybody in Jamaica give $500 to somebody, you're not supposed to get in service. All these people take my $500 and my Pitney can't go in high school and say me go make clothes to Pitney. And then turn around now, I can't tell me, listen this now, my people, Jamaica, listen this good now. In July, me make sure go build uniform, all I come down. Me go around in August, go make sure start out it, they say yes everything. September now call me and tell me no space no what? After me pay me $500, me go back around there in October, no space no there what? Me go back around there in November, no space no there what? Me go around there in December for prepare for January. January 6th of January, me go around there, no space no there what? And take me $500. A scam or no scam me? A scam or no scam me, Pitney any money? And now SF on the scam me, and I have to give him service for you. You have to come on the school for his scamming. On the can Anjo, me vote for you. Anjo, me vote for you. Anjo, me now go vote again if me Pitney go agree. Hey, listen me now, no play thing, you know. And me vote for you, you know. Me vote for you. Me vote for you. Me make sure say take up me 40 blood clean $1,000. Full me car gas, me beg no money. Me no call no parish council no money. Put people in a me car, drive up and down. And make sure say your vote is in. Me no ramp, me born June, you born July. We no ramp. You know what that mean? So yes, one time me say, me pitney fi go a green pan school, me mean say him fi go a green pan school. You see me? Green pan me want him go. Me live a Cornwall Courts. Me live a Cornwall Courts. Me pitney not supposed to go in the Spot Valley and me live a Cornwall Courts. Me work way out of town. Me pitney must go left in yard school, left in yard and go to school, left from school come in yard, the left from school go take no long bus and on journey come on my yard when me the outer road at work. Me don't know what happened to my pitney. Come on people, Jamaica, on the think with me. Think with me. One pitney alone. One pitney alone. You know what tell me no space no for. I mean saw one girl come around there a while ago and take him in. On take in the girl a while ago. Taking the girl a while ago. I mean did it over 8 months I beg you know. 8 months every day, every 2 weeks me around there. Eh? Miss, please me I beg you know. January take the one pitney for me. No, please why you got to me no space na in a me wa. Eh? No space na in a way. In a me wa. Eh? No space na in a me wa. Eh? In a one building, brother. Electrical work me do. Me work whole heap of building. Whole heap of building. Me know if fix building. A million a building me work in Jamaica. No space na in a what? In a which building? No building. No space na in a no building. And who could have tell me that? Which guy? Hold on. Minister of Education know what una do. CDA know what una do when it come to pitney we want to go to school. See one them no want to go. Una can't deal with it. If you pitney now we feel like him want to go hang himself. I tell himself say go jump over precipice because he can't go to school and he can't go to green pan school because everybody did the film. Me not send him. Hold on. Out all of my family them run a green pan. Him alone go spot for me pitney not going out there. Me not going out there. War out there, and me no want involved in that. Me no want go out there, so. Me not going out there, so. Me no want have nothing to do with Spot Valley. People no know. Me no want have nothing to do with Spot Valley. I mean, I send them nowhere, downtown school, I know where. There's a school around Green Pan here, so. And in the Green Pan, I live on place named Green Pan. I think the two green them connect. Mean a Green Pan if you go. You cannot tell me about no Spot when me I talk about green. You can't tell me about no Spot Valley when me I talk about Green Pan. A green me the talk about, and if I talk about green pan, and me live a green pan, I mean all I green them must work. All I green them must work. Me not supposed to have no disability green. All of me green them must work. All of me green them must work. All of me green, send him away, send him away. In the Cornwall Courts, Angela make sure say ain't go there. Because I vote for Angela and now go vote again if I pick not go there. A green we say you know. A green we say you know. And a green pan me say if you go you know. And a green pan me live you know. And a green the pan me and you know. A green band me wear a green band until Portia come out of politics. From Bruce in the me have on my green band in the city you know. People my green band come off for me in a green me say you know. And if me take you off Angela and get no more my vote them you know. So you say hear me now. On do enough you do. On call a principal. Keep that name there. Social media may I send this. You see me? Wanting pitney to go to green pan school because green pan me live. I mean not in and on joke. You hear me? You know make me get mad this morning if you see me green. Me grieve. Every blood in me a boil. Me pitney sit down in yard for last year September. And until now, you know go to school for September. Until now, in me yard a moan until I pitney I carry a ball. Hey teacher, what do you? Principal, I want to you want me sue you. Eh? You want me sue you for me $500. Eh? You want me sue you for me $500. Then me put my phone. A social media me thing they go. All attention. And I have to put fear upon it. Alright. So me want to make sure my bumper rascal pitney. Me make sure I make sure so my pitney go to school. And you say if that weekend I done enough for me come a head office at Kingston. Me say I make sure I reach a head office at Kingston because I'm in a no joke. I'm out. And me say if I don't get no response by this, it's getting serious every day coming. I'm heading to the head office tomorrow morning to Kingston. So look for me. I mean I ease up before that me sleep then me pick me have to go to Green Pan. He have to go to Green Pan. I mean I ask, I mean I beg, no, I mean I play to no, I mean I play to him. Have to go there. What me say? He have to go to Green Pan. And me I tell him that I drive walk and me yard with him, go put him down for sit down. I mean I make him sit down for number 3 months again and number 4 months. Me I tell him that. So I try. You see what me say when you have some suit there, I try drop the sleeve. I say if the belt not buckle properly, pull it tighter. You see me? I say if the pants too tight, loose, make it get loose now. A serious thing me upon today. Me pitney have to go to school. I mean I ask uno, I mean I beg uno, I mean I plead to uno. Uno scam me $500, me a pay tax. Me a pay tax, uno na pay me a pay uno. So now tell me that 7,000 I want, I'm 7,000 in my blood clot pocket and a fucking a blood clot self. Alright.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the two pieces of videos that is put together showing if a parent want a child to go to a specific school because the person have a reason. You know what I mean? Now, viewers and subscribers, you know, tell me what you think about something like this. Again, I'm going to say big up to all real parents out there. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. You don't know if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla. 10.